It was okay. Make your matcha at home.
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. No, I can't, just can't.
I'm gonna try making poached eggs to eat with my kaya toast because that's how it's typically eaten. I've never made poached eggs before, so I looked up a tutorial. Hopefully it works out.
아직도 난 모르겠어 널 바라봐도 just caught in your love 많이도 난 널 좋아했나봐 힘들어 보여 그래서 말했어 한순간이었지 bittersweet to me night got me going crazy someone just tell me why 하나 둘씩 내게서 더 멀어지지 마 baby you 오직 너만 baby you 사랑이 없어도 난 곁에 있고 싶어 난 아주 잠시만 Someone tell me what I need to do to make this feel right I just want you in my life keep you warm and nice
Just unboxed these new matchas. These are from Rocky's Matcha, and this is their Okamadori single cultivar and their Narino single cultivar. I honestly bought these because I thought the packaging, the colors look so pretty. Probably going to keep her on top of there. This is me and my buddy.
All the hands and toes, holding your chest away. And we're gonna lift and control movement here. Forward, nice and tight. Just over here. Now, shoulder. I want you to get as far forward as you can. Think about squeezing your shoulder blades together. I want you to open up that chest right now.
Looks good. Yes.
It's so good. I don't remember it being this good.
Like, it's so thick.
You want some?
Guys, this is literally my obsession right now. Oh my god.
Go high key for a buy box.
Chan, do I buy a box?
Tell her yes.
This one feels good. Let's get this one.
Look at our haul. Why is he so silly? We're going to try this today.
Oh, it only flips one. Oh, hi. Hi.
That was a bad start.
Fail.
That was a bad omen. Maybe I should show what I want. I would like dream and childhood. Just at least not a dude.
That's cute. Wait, I think it actually glows in the dark. I think that actually showed me.
Wait, really?
That's cute.
That's cute. Okay, that was a good one.
It's a dupe. Aww. Rip. She looks so empty with the no cat in the house.
Head empty, no thoughts.
Oh, never mind.
Ah, wait, so cute. I'm so mad. I opened my little prince and it's a dupe. Thank you so much. It was okay. Save your money and your time. Make your matcha at home.
childhood bedroom. I'm about to do a little interview with a student journalist. She reached out to me because she wanted to do a piece about matcha and she was really inspired by my videos, so gladly said yes. I'm so happy to help her. So I'm about to hop on the call right now and I think I'm just gonna record a little bit of it, but probably just mute it just because this is gonna be for a project. I'm gonna go do that right now. Hello. I'm good. How are you? Nice to meet you.
Hey, your car got hit or you hit somebody?
Oh?
Shit, you don't know?
Oh?